Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about base 5. Normally we all use base 10, which is 0 through 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are a total of 10 numbers. That's always normal base 10. But today we're going to do base 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is a total of 5 numbers by base 5. For example, if we went through the number line, we go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30. So there's no 20, there's no 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 because it just skips because of base 5, which it goes straight to 10, which is because we still have these numbers in base 5. We have 1, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Those are all in base 5. So you'll never see a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 in base 5. Continuing, we're going to do addition in base 5. For example, I have two numbers here. We have 2, 3, 2 base 5 and 3, 4, 1 base 5. We never usually say 232 because that's base 10, but this is base 5, so we usually say 3, 2, 3 base 5. And the way I add in base 5, it's the easiest. I always start from right to left and start from top to bottom. So here, starting at 2, I find 2 on the number line, and I need 1, so I need to go over 1. So I go 2 plus 1, it lands on 3 on the number line, and I put 3 there. Next, we go 3 plus 4, so I find 3 on the number line, and I go over 4. So I go 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it lands on 12. So it's 12 here, but normally we can't put 2-digit numbers under there. So I'm going to put 2 and carry over the 1 on top. And you know how in addition we add those two numbers, 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's going to be equal to 3 here. So and it's 3 plus 3, so I find 3 on the number line. So 1 and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and it's 11. It lands on 11. So I just put 11 here, and there's nothing over, so it just carries over. So the answer here is 1, 1, 2, 3. So the final answer is going to be 1, 1, 2, 3, base 5. And that's those two numbers. Addition in base 5. Now we're going to be talking about subtraction in base 5. Here again, I just pick randomly numbers. So we have 2, 5, 4 base 5 minus 1, 2, 5 base 5. And of course, normally when you do subtraction, you always start from right to left. So here, you cannot subtract 4 from 5 normally. So what we normally do, in regular base 10, we go over to the 5, knock down the 5, and make that to 4, and carry over a 10, right? That's in base 10, but we're dealing in base 5. So we're not carrying over 10 here, we're carrying only 5, because that's the normal, because there's no 6, 7, 8, or 9, or 10, or 6, 7, 8, or 9. It's only base 5. So we carry over to, this is base 5. So we knock down 5, turn that 5 into 1, and bring over 5. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So now we're doing 9 minus 5, because we can do that. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And now we go over, continue with normal subtraction. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have a total of 1, 2, 4 base 5. And here's another example here. 2, 1, 2 base 5 minus 4, 3 base 5. And just again, we start from right to left. So right here is 2 minus 3, which you can't do that. So you take away that 1, and that 1 goes to 0 because that's subtraction. And we bring over 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. So we 7 minus 3 is 4. Now we go to the next one. You cannot do 0 minus 4, so you come to the 2 and take away the 2, which is 1, and you bring over 5. So we have a total of 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now we go to the next one, which we had that 1 left over here, so you bring that 1 down. So now we have a total of 1, 1, 4, base 5. And that's subtraction. Now we're going to do converting from base 5 to base 10. These numbers. So I just picked another random number. We have 2, 3, 4, 1, base 5. We're converting it to base 10. And the way you're supposed to do this is you can write 2, 3, 4, 1 all the way through, and then under each number you're going to start from right to left. It says we're base 5. We always do 5 to the 0, 5 to the 1, 5 to the 2, 5 to the 3. You keep going until how many numbers you're trying to convert. So this is a 4-digit number, so we have 4 slots here for the numbers. So we had, like for instance, there was a 3 behind that 2, or 3 in front of the 2, we go over 3 and put 5 to the 4. But we stopped at 2 because we only have 2, 3, 4, and 1. So it's 5 to 0, 5 to 1, 5 to 2, 5 to 3. And each of those equals something. So 5 to 0 equals 1, 5 to the 1 equals 5, 5 to the 2 equals 25, 5 to the third power is 125. And I put those in parentheses there. And the way you get the final answer is you get 5 to 3 is 125, and you times it. So 125 times 2 is 250, and 25 times 3 is 75. 5 times 4 is 20, and 1 times 1 is 1. So those final answers, you add them all together, 250 plus 75 plus 20 plus 1 equals 346 to base 10. And we can say 346 because this is back to base 10, because we're converting base 5 to base 10. So we converted 234 base 5 to 346 base 10 by using this method here, which is really simple. Now what we're going to do is convert base 10 back to base 5 using different numbers. So I picked this number, 437 base 10 convert to base 5. And we do the same exact method here. You go 5 to the 0 power, 5 to the 1, 5 to the 2, 5 to the 3. And we know how to stop there because it's normally we just do it's kind of it's division. You use division to convert base 10 to base any other base 5, base 6, base 7, whatever you want to do. You always have to use division to convert back. So, of course, 5 to 0 is 1, 5 to the 1 is 5, 5 to the 2 is 25, and 5 to the 3 is 125. And we just start from there. So 125 goes into 437 3 times. 3 times 125 is 375. We do basic division. It's minus and 62. So we bring 62 over, and you do on next one 25 divided by 62, or 62 divided by 25. And that can go in there 2 times. So 2 times 25 is 50. So 62 minus 50 is 12. And bring the 12 over, and the next one is 5. So 12 divided by 5. 5 goes in 12 2 times. So 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And we bring the very last one because the last one is 2. So 1 goes into 2 times. So 2 times 1 is 2. To 2 minus 2 is 0. You keep doing this until you hit 0, until you have no more remaining. So it's 0. So this is the final answer. 3, 2, 2, 2. So we put 3, 2, 2, 2. And the final conversion is 3, 2, 2, 2 to base 5. So we converted 437 base 10 to 3, 2, 2, 2 base 5. Thank you.